So, nag-taping kami kahapon sa isang TV station. Tapos, it took 10 hours. And they took our phones. So, walang cellphone, ganyan. So, it was quite uncomfortable experience. Especially the long hours. Tapos, walang cellphone. Although, hindi naman torture yun, di ba? We're in a cool environment naman, especially may mga kasama ng mga celebrities, and we could do precisely what we want to do naman, except for taking photos, of course, kasi wala sa amin yung phone namin. Pero we could chit chat, talk with them, with the stars and all. Pero ayun, sa taping, it made me realize lang the importance of the quiet time, of being away from my phone, from social media, from all the toxic things that I may see or hear or feel even. And I can say that it was really quite an unpleasant experience, because you're always wondering what's happening in the world, what's happening with my account, am I getting bashed already? What's the updates? What's going on with the impeachment trial? Is the Philippines getting worse? Kumain na ba sila sa bahay? Hinahanap na kaya ako? Anong oras kaya ako makakauwi? Those kind of things, and hindi ako nakapagpaalam, ganyan. What should I do? So all of those things I experienced in the 10 hours that I was there in the TV station. And although I'm not expecting anything naman from there, at least 'di ba, I got to experience it. Pero importante din pala sa life na alam niyo yun, na nare-reset, na factory reset yung isip natin, na wala tayong ibang inaalala kundi what's in the present, what's in the moment, what could actually make us happy during those times na we have limited resources, or we have limited sources of fun because boredom is killing us. But that's the time na pwede tayong maging creative, pwede tayong magtingin kung ano yung bagay na pwede nating pagkaabalahan na makabuluhan during that moment. So, I was quite saved by a pamphlet of a camera, because I was reading all through the specs and all, and nagamit ko siya throughout those 10 grueling hours of taping. And yeah, I also had the time to actually talk to other people who are having fun in there despite the boredom, despite the long waiting hours. And it made me feel like may mga bagay pa rin palang magpapaaliw sa akin, kahit alam niyo yun, not the usual stuff. Back to basics, kumbaga. Yung pakikipagkapwa-tao, pakikipag-usap with strangers, paghihintay, pagpapahinga. It was really unpleasant, but it was cool.